Should you sell your house in 2024? Let's talk about it. Hello friends, this is your trusted real estate advisor, James Hemphill Jr., and I get this question a lot. What's the market doing and should I sell my house in 2024? Great questions. I'm glad you asked that question, and I'm glad you came here to find out my insights and my thoughts on this process. I have actually 5 reasons why you should think about selling your house and the decisions that go into that. So now, number 1, let's figure out what's the reason that you want to sell your house. Is it a relocation for a new job, or are you just looking to find a new place to live, more affordable, looking to upgrade, downsize? All of these things go into the reason why you should want to sell your house. So think about that. But typically, if you've owned your home for a while, there's going to be some equity that you have to capitalize on. And that's a great time. Think also about, are you looking to buy something else? Or do you already own a second property that you're going to be able to move into, so that you're not looking at, do I have to go out and get financing again? Because interest rates are higher. But the good news is interest rates are trending down. We are below 7% right now. And we've seen a favorable trend coming down thus far this year. So that's a good thing. Number 2, let's think about, again, deeper discussion about what the market is doing. So again, we talked about the favorable rates. We talked about what's going on with the trend and how buyers are able to qualify for loans. So now the key piece to think about is, what's the best time? Now, think about it like this. Most people don't want to move in the wintertime. So the summer and spring is going to be when people are looking to find homes. And again, as the market is becoming more favorable and buyers are becoming more conditioned to, proverbial higher rates. Now, overall, historically, rates have been around 10 to 12%. So still a sub 7 is really a good interest rate. So putting your house on the market in the spring and summer is a great time. Reason number 3 that it's a good idea to sell your house in the spring, summertime, and the decisions that go into that is, let's think about how we're going to position your home. Now, when buyers are looking for properties, they're typically looking online. So that means how the home shows on someone's tablet, phone, laptop is going to be a key piece to how your house is marketed, because really the best time to sell your house once you put it on the market is that first day to first 2 weeks or so. So making sure that it shows well, position it to sell, because you're going to get the most attraction. You're going to get a lot of opportunities right there in the beginning stages. So think about that first as one of those items when you think about how do you prepare your home. Now, going into the whole listing process, I like to step back, and that's tip number 4. It's something that I've been advising my clients to do. Get a pre-inspection on your home. And when I think about pre-inspections, I think about this. Let's win the battle up front versus having a slow, grinded out process on the end. Typically, when a buyer is going to be making a purchase of this magnitude, they're going to want to do an inspection. And when we have a pre-inspection, we can counteract what we may not know that's going to be discovered with the home once it gets inspected after it's under contract. Once you're under contract and you have inspections coming in from your buyers, then you're going to have to deal with a lot of repair requests. And those could bog down the process. But overall, getting a pre-inspection is a very, very good tip. Now, I'm also going to have more information that I want to share with you, but think about this. When we go into the whole process of getting the house ready for sale, looking at the market, understanding the reasons why, it leads us into tip number 5. And that is maybe even contrary to what you may think I want to do for my benefit, but interview several agents, maybe at least 3. You want to make sure that you're looking at every scenario possible. Marketing of the home is one of the key, most important, integral pieces of selling your property. So dealing with a professional that's done it before, that's with a brokerage that's done it at the highest level. Right now, EXP is number 1 in transaction size. So we want to make sure that, hey, am I just wanting to save $1 or $2 on commission, or am I trying to get a trusted resource that has the resources and tools that can get the job done and get the best outcome for you? So those are the things that I really want to focus on, those 5 things. Understanding your reason why, learning about the market, educate yourself on what the market's doing, making sure that you're making those right decisions at the right time, prepare the home properly, do a pre-inspection, and talk to a trusted real estate professional to get a variety of opinions. Real estate can be very, very challenging, but when you're dealing with a trusted professional, someone that's going to give you facts and data, that's going to really make your decision more robust, more confident, and you can rest assured that you have a good price. Because again, we don't want to go on the market and then 20, 30, 45 days later, continue to start to adjust the price down, because now buyers have moved on to other properties, and you don't want to be that person that's having your house sit on the market and God forbid have it expire. So think about those things. Now, if you want to know more about what's going on with the market trends, the market data, I'm going to actually attach the home updates for this month for King and Snohomish County in the description below. Please take time to look those over. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you may have. I'd love to hear your comments on this. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me to grow my channel so that I can provide more content that you want to hear about. So thank you again for watching. James Hemphill Jr., Realtor with eXp Realty. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Take care. Bye.